Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to Sarah and James's English practice.
Hey everyone! How are you doing today?
Today, we have a comprehensive deep dive lesson for you.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for daily lessons.
In this episode, we will learn about English articles, a, and the.
Understanding articles is super important for speaking and writing correctly.
Absolutely. They help us specify whether we're talking about something general or specific.
I remember struggling with this a lot when I started learning English.
That's a common struggle, James. But I promise to make it crystal clear today.
Great! Can you give an example of when this knowledge is needed?
Sure. When ordering food at a restaurant, you might say, "I'd like an apple pie."
Oh, I see. And if it's a specific pie you have in mind?
You would say, "I'd like the apple pie we had last time."
That makes sense. So let's dive into the first part of our lesson.
First, let's talk about definite and indefinite articles.
Right. So a and in are indefinite articles, and the is a definite article.
Exactly. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. For example, a cat.
And what about an?
An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Like an apple.
So it's about the sound, not just the letter?
Exactly. Here's a trick to remember, a 4 consonants and in 4 vowels.
Can you give more examples?
Of course. A dog, a house, an orange, and an hour.
What about using the?
The is used for specific nouns known to the reader. Like, the sun.
Could you give an example of incorrect usage?
Sure. Saying the apple when talking about any apple is incorrect.
Got it. How do countable and uncountable nouns fit in?
Countable nouns can take a or an, but uncountable nouns do not use them.
So, I can say a cup but not a water?
Exactly. You'd say some water instead.
What about zero articles?
Great question. We use zero articles when talking about things in general, like I love music.
And what about geography?
For countries, we often say the United States but just France.
Let's practice what we've learned.
Okay. Imagine you're at a party. Someone asks, "Do you have ____ book?" What would you say?
Pause the video and try to respond.
The correct answer is a book. Great job if you got it right.
That was fun. What's next?
Now, let's explore more advanced concepts about articles.
I'm ready. What should we cover?
We'll look at how articles can change meanings in phrases.
Like how the bank means a specific bank.
Exactly. But a bank could refer to any bank.
Can you share some common mistakes people make?
Sure. One mistake is saying an university instead of a university.
Okay, let me try. A hour.
Close. It should be an hour. Keep practicing.
What's next? I want to improve.
Let's do another practice exercise together.
Cool. What scenario are we doing?
Imagine you're at a restaurant. I'll say, "I would like ____ pizza."
Pause the video and respond.
The answer is a pizza. Good job if you got it right.
This is so much fun. Do you have any stories related to articles?
Yes. I once had a student who confused a and an all the time.
What happened?
We practiced together, and she improved so much.
That's amazing. It shows practice really helps.
Absolutely. Making mistakes is normal in learning.
What are the most common mistakes with articles?
One is confusing a with the. Another is using no article with countable nouns.
Can you give examples?
A dog is correct, but the dog means a specific one.
And what's a cheat sheet for everything we learned?
Remember, 4 consonants and 4 vowels, the 4 specific things.
If we remember nothing else, what's the golden rule?
If you remember nothing else, remember this: articles help clarify meaning.
What challenge do you have for us today?
Try using 3 of these phrases tomorrow in conversation.
I'll write a practice sentence and share it in the comments.
Thank you all for joining us today.
You are amazing for investing in yourself.
Drop a comment below. We read every single one.
Like and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.